got to share this with you all. So have a fantastic morning, and I'll see you a little later, guys.
Hungry for the road all my life, thirsty for adventure all my youth, chasing all my freedoms down Liberty Avenue. And every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me, everything happens for a reason, I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, 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 just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Nothing like kitchen conversation, steam coming up off the stove, photographs down the staircase showing our stories unfold. And every time I hear a song my father used to sing to me, sweet words of an Irish lullaby, I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Home, 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 just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, 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 no matter where I go. A little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Just buy my ticket, I pick up the phone. I'm calling to tell you that I'm coming home. Home, 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 I'm coming home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. I'm coming home. A little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home.
So I want to make a new address sign where I moved. So I'm going to bring home these planks of wood and I'm going to sand it and buy some new numbers and hang it up, make it look really nice. I'm going to bring these home with me.
Did you get the what?
Yeah, the compressor, yeah. Are we going to get water today?
Well, we could go that way and then go home from there.
All right, so now we have to get all of the furniture that's under the deck as well as in the garage and bring it up onto the balcony. All right.
Hold on. Yes, right here.
Gotta lift it higher.
It's the coldest hand running down this land. Where the ocean lands.
Good? Yeah.
It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd. Let their hearts beat loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me. I'll push you back towards the land sea. They're going down for love and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you'll never lost alone the crowd with me. Never lost alone the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I lead. Anywhere you go I see. You're never lost alone the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gone done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry. The here goes but why? Where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me. I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. crowd with me. Everywhere you go, I'll be. Anywhere you go, I'll see. Even in the autumn breeze, when the trees are shaking off their leaves, you're never lost among the crowd with me.
All right, so we decided to put all of the outdoor firewood in on this rack. This was the one that I was using for the indoor firewood, but I figured since we don't need to heat indoors, we'll just use this outside. And now all that wood will be able to dry, and we'll be able to make nice bonfires in the big fire pit, which will be very nice.
So we were able to do a lot today, actually. Erica's been wanting this for a long time. Having this wood stand out here near the outdoor pit. We'll just get another one for... We'll just get another one for the front when winter comes around. The other one in the corner. Perfect. We have all this garbage here. Stuff that we had to throw away last year. Then we were using, like those big boxes, we were using them for the girls for target practice. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. It's dirty. We have all this cleaning to do. But we do have to head back because, like I said, we weren't coming up here for the reason that we're fixing up Erica's apartment. And we've been painting, and the guy for the floors were there. And we said, what a great opportunity to be able to go up north and do some work there while the floor is dry. And that's what we've done. Now we just have to get ready, load up the truck, and maybe go get some water. Hi, JJ! Oh my God, JJ, oh my God. My little Chi-Chi boy. No, not there, JJ. Do you see what he does? He blesses everything.
Oh, JJ.
Okay, Chi-Chi, I have to put you on camera because
big
you're
pee.
just a little dirty dog.
Good boy, JJ. He held his pee. That's a good
Good job, Chi-Chi. Had a little mess.
Yeah.
We forgot his brush.
Bathed him, but we couldn't
Eric,
brush him.
yeah, Erica gave him a nice little bath, but we couldn't brush him because we didn't have JJ's brush. But he's still cute, even though he's a straggly mess right now. Okay, so this is good. Erica, you want to just tie this so...
Well, it's broken.
Yeah. I mean, is there room to throw some of the bags for garbage?
I don't think so. Oh,
Oh, JJ, what are you doing?
We have a lot
Okay.
of bags.
All right, so let's go see the lake one more time. Did we lock up?
Yeah, I locked. Look at him.
Where's the lake, JJ? Where's the lake?
Let's go to the dock.
Let's go to the dock. Come on. You know where the dock is?
No, that's
No,
he
JJ.
smells
Yeah,
LaFonda.
because LaFonda lives right underneath that hole. Right there.
JJ. Oh, is he gonna poop?
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Well, he had to poo. Okay,
I
JJ.
gotta pick that up before someone steps on it.
Well, I don't have any baggies with me, but hopefully nobody steps on it. It's gonna go back into the soil. I'm sorry. We've been trying. On the dock, JJ. Let's see if he's gonna get wet.
I'll probably have to lift him up. JJ, don't pee there.
No, Jay. No, JJ.
We don't pee there.
So Erica's been wanting to do more pleasing to the eye videos. And you could tell when I carry the camera how shaky and what a mess I am. But I am gonna go and sit with my daughter for a few minutes, because this has been our place for a long time now. What a good boy, JJ. We're gonna have to resand this deck. I mean, it's waterproof, but oh, the bones.
Holy moly.
So nice. Especially after you've worked hard. Doesn't look like we did anything, but we sure did. My body tells me we did a little bit of work. We still have to head, like I said, to go get some water, which takes us even longer to get home, because it's going to take us almost an hour. Do you want to go for sure today?
No.
Eh?
We'll go next.
We want to show you what a beautiful place it is too. But I think we're going to go next time, because we want to go home. Oh, it's windy here. So instead of going for the water, I think we're just going to go home, relax a little. And then we're going to go to Erica's place and see how the floors came out. And then come tomorrow morning, we're going to go work on Erica's kitchen, because I think her bedroom set is coming on Tuesday. It was so beautiful yesterday morning with the fog. This morning, I woke up late. Can you tell when my body's tired? I woke up at 8 o'clock. That's late for me. JJ, I feel like it's gonna start raining, Erica. Yeah, it's gonna start raining. So we're gonna say goodbye to you for now. I'm sorry it took us so long to make a video. And even for my cooking channel, this is like, I'm bad. I gotta really stop and do something, because I get carried away. When I start working, time flies, and there's just so much work to do. I hope you guys understand. It's not that I don't want to make videos for you. It's just that there's so much to do in a day. But once Erica's settled, we're gonna start making nice videos again, and more cooking videos for my cooking channel. All right, Erica, are you ready to go, or do you want to still sit here? Where did the loon go? You can't even see him.
He was super close before.
Yeah,
I don't know where he is.
he's probably finding a nesting place for himself. He can't be on this water.
Waiting for his
This water's
mate.
cold.
He's
Well, I
waiting-
hope she shows up.
Waiting for her to arrive.
Like, what's taking her so long?
You know,
Just like a woman, always taking
This-
their time.
this year the snow melted earlier.
Yeah,
Last year
at
it
the end
was
of April.
only like I think April 27th that when we still had ice.
Yeah. So last year, what time did the snow melt? At the end of the month?
Yeah, 27th or something. No, we still had snow and ice the 27th. No,
you?
not snow. We had ice. And
Gigi boy.
here, I'll tell you.
Oh, what's coming down? Is this snow? Holy moly. It's snow.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I just saw it on the camera and then it melted. Please don't snow again.
Here, April
What was that?
27th. This is what it looked like outside. Hold on, I'll show you. Last year.
Snow. It was snowflakes. April?
This was
April.
last year, April 27th.
Why can't I see you? Oh. It's a little hard to see it. Looks kind of black.
Anyway, do you see it?
I see it.
Look how much-
Put some light on your
I
phone.
did. It's just dark. Look. That was last year. This was a week from now.
Maybe if we turn it this way.
Isn't that
Let's
crazy?
see. Let's turn it this way. Can we see
I
it
just
this way?
closed it. No. That's a week
Where you going, Chichi?
from now. So last year, a week from today, it was still full
Snow.
of ice. And so the loons,
They just know when to come back.
they came earlier this year because it melted earlier.
Who just know when to come back? They're so smart.
Yeah, they know exactly when to come back.
Okay, let's go. All right, guys. I'm going to give you a last view because it's so pretty. And we're going to head back to the city. Oh, pick up these old bones. All right, Eric. Did you give him a bath? Look, we had to put that there just in case. Because the water was a little higher than normal. Eh?
Did you put that there?
That's been there.
I don't want that in the water. What are you doing, JJ?
There's one there, but it's in the rock.
Okay, come on, JJ,
Chichi,
let's go. He smells the little
not a fish yet.
mole.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Not a fish yet. Usually all these little minnows are closer to the shore. The girls love to see them. But nothing yet. It's so cold. Oh my God. It's still cold. Like I'm wearing like 4 sweaters. I've got like my t-shirt and then a sweater over the t-shirt. And then I have my gray, very old wool sweater that I have that it's falling apart, but I don't throw things away till they fall apart. And then my green sweater that I made last year, and my legs are tired. And then I made a green sweater, which keeps me nice and warm, believe it or not. But I am wearing a whole bunch of them. All right. We have all kinds of garbage still. When Erica got her washer and dryer, her new washer and dryer, it's still there because it came later on in the fall and just never had a chance to put that in the garbage. Unfortunately, I don't know where you could put the styrofoam. Look at this. Stuff is starting to bud. I didn't think it was gonna start budding because I saw a couple of flurries before. And here we are, we didn't put up our kites. We should put 2 kites up here. So we're gonna do that next time. For now, this is good enough. My husband comes up to do some work up here, he can do that. Anyhow, all right guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Gigi boy.